inner tube within 3 minutes. Ready, set, go. Taking the outer tube, starting at the valve. Then you pull out your old inner tube. If you're using the old version, you're going to have to snip off the broken one. Now carefully remove the damaged inner tube. Now you take your new liner inner tube, and don't forget to pump a little bit of air into it. Find the air valve hole again, and put the valve through the frame. And carefully put your new liner inner tube within the outer tire. Remember to make sure that both ends of the liner inner tube are secure. Now put the outer tire back into its frame. Now you can pump some air into your new liner inner tube. As you can see, this process can be done within 3 minutes. And here's Ben's time. Thank you.